Assalamualaikum and hi guys. So today I will unboxing this Logitech Gaming Bundle Combo from Lazada, which I bought during the 12th December sales for 259 ringgit. The retail price for the discount price for this bundle is 289, but I got a voucher, so I use it, so I got 30 ringgit less more and get it for 259 ringgit. So let's unbox it now and see what's inside. So here we have a gaming headset, G231 Prodigy, and this one is gaming mouse G300s, and the last one is the gaming keyboard G213 Prodigy. So this is not mechanical, this is just membrane keyboard with RGB. So first of all, let's unbox this headset. Now let's take a look at the box first. This design for Xbox and PS4. So this is not a 7.1 surround, I think. Two-year limited. Oh, so it has. Okay, let's unbox it. See. I bought it because I think it is a great deal, since this headset itself costs, I think, more than 200 retail price. New. So for 259, it is a great deal. Baloi. How on earth? Okay. So there's nothing inside. This is the setup guide, and this is the cutting. Put it aside. No, nothing more. Whoa. Oh, also this is a cushion, a cloth, not a leather. Microphone. Braided cable. 3.5mm jack, so we can use it with our phone, mobile phone, and also PC or even laptop. Also it comes with this, what do we call it, adapter, converter. So this is for mic, and this is for the speaker. Speaker, I think. Cool. Oh, this is for the PC and laptop. Nice. Free, by the way. Oh, so it's plasticky, big quality. Nothing on the top, and logo on the side. It's look like a Google logo. Logitech. So I think that's all for the headset. So for the next, I think for the next video I will do unboxing for the next product. I think that's all for now. Thank you guys. Oh yeah, do like and share this video.